Bed covers are a huge part of owning a truck, but sometimes you need just a little more storage space. Let's check out the BAK Revolver X4TS, a new take on an old classic. The highly popular Revolver's latest iteration improves upon an already highly functional design. This cover is constructed from a durable marine-grade vinyl on top of heavy-duty cut-resistant aluminum slats, as well as a full matte black styling that extends to every component. The BAK Revolver X4TS is a bed cover that is effortless to operate, and on top of all that, it can support 400 pounds of evenly distributed weight. The patented locking system secures the cover the entire length of the truck bed. This allows for simple one-handed operation from either side of the tailgate. So whether you're the driver or the passenger, you can operate the cover with just one hand. But the Revolver X4TS isn't just about what you can haul inside the bed. The bed rails are fitted with integrated T-slot channels that ensure you can mount various over-the-bed racks and cargo management accessories. And the integrated bulkhead seal, flat side seals, and redesigned rear corner caps offer unmatched weather protection. This ensures that your cargo will remain secure and dry no matter what nature throws at it. If you want to know more about the BAK Revolver X4TS or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.